Hey guys, so today we are going to be creating Angry Bird nails. Yay! Anyway, this look is so fun and epic. First, you are going to apply a base coat to protect your natural nails. Then you are going to take a red nail polish and make a semicircle on the bottom of your nail. Hello again to all my friends. Together we can play some rock and roll. Hello again to all my friends. Together we can... Next, with a red nail art striper, make two little feathers on the top of its head. Now take a white nail polish and make the belly of the Angry Bird. With a dotting tool and a black nail polish, create two dots for the eyes. Together we can play some rock and roll. Then create two smaller dots with white nail polish. Take a black nail or striper and make the eyebrows. Rock and roll. As well, with a toothpick or pencil tip, make the pupils of the eyes. And then, with a toothpick or pencil again, you're going to be creating the beak. I decided for my other nails that I would just create a white semicircle French tip, and I outlined it in red. Add a top coat and you are finished. I hope you enjoyed this really cute, easy, fun nail art design. Bye guys!